Hello everyone, friends. Today I'll show you what to do if your wireless mouse isn't working. First, of course, check if it's charged, replace the battery, try turning it on and off, and also try unplugging and reinserting the USB adapter that connects to your computer. If none of that helped, then connect a wired mouse instead, as that will be easier. Right-click on Start, then click Device Manager. Look under Mice and find your mouse here. If it's not there, click Scan for hardware changes. If that doesn't help, or if your mouse is listed, click Uninstall Device. Make sure you're not using this mouse right now, otherwise you'll get stuck. There. After that, try scanning for hardware changes again. There might also be a Bluetooth problem. Click on Troubleshoot Bluetooth Issues. Click Next and let it fix the Bluetooth problems. There. Then go to Bluetooth and other devices, click Add Device and reconnect your mouse. This was Weller with you. Goodbye everyone.